at this. It's a Freedom Factory car. Spotlight.
Honestly, just a walking like content machine. You cannot get anything boring out of this guy. So give it up for Whistling. Let's hear it, dude.
That was some awesome driving. Oh, we got a burnout.
Still qualified fifth.
Jack Stan Jimmy can't curb.
Bowman. Oh no, Heavy D's getting into the lead car. Wow, he is really throwing a wrench in the program right now. Oh, Tanner goes into the side of him. Hey, where's Cleater? Cleater's back there quite a bit. Oh, and look at that. Tanner gets spun by Heavy D.
That was hard contact.
Oh, wow. Heavy D
Caution
gets punted.
is out.
Oh, man, look at Whistling Diesel. That back right corner has seen better days, and we got a caution to his position in the back of the pack. So he's not
Everybody get your phones out. Record this. Turn your flashlights on.
This is where the nitrous used to sit. Only got 140,000 miles, but everything good. You get to keep. No back seat, kind of sucks, but headlights are good. They need gas rags. Look at that. More door blockouts. That chrome spotlight's that shit though. Bitch is looking nice. Look at that. Woo! See that? See if I can get it like that. Has it got cats?
Stop, Poops.
How's that sound? Those are lug nuts. Don't mess with them. I'm taking the.
Hey, Baba.
Hey, baby. Oh no! We're gonna put these ones. We're gonna keep these because they don't hold the hubcaps, and we're gonna switch them for these because they do hold the police hubcaps. Too bad I can't keep these tires. Say what? Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah, I'll let you do it. Hold on 1 second though. Here, put it down. Look, we're gonna go like this. Look, you put this on here. Ready? It's all right. Look, we take it off and we drop it. Look.
I love it.
It's not gonna hurt you. Now put that one on there. Like this, yep, put it on there. On the hole, there you go. Gotta be straight and even. Now spin it this way, like that. Yep, here's another one. That's a good one, actually. Go ahead, spin it on there. You wanna tighten them up or what?
No.
All right, I gotta tighten it though. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, Valentina? You don't want to be on camera? What are you doing, girl? Gonna wash something? You gonna wash something? You gonna wash your face? Wash your face. This thing's almost ready to go. You're stuck on a tire.